Welcome to this new Fabricville tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, practical and quick phone pocket. It's a great project for using rib knit scraps and an easy alternative to classic pouches. No zipper, no snap, everything relies on the stretch of the fabric. We'll be making it using this rib knit. I'll need 2 knit pieces. For the short version, I cut strips 40 cm long and as wide as my phone, plus a 1 cm seam allowance on each side. I mark a 1 cm seam allowance at the bottom, and I place height markings about 1 cm above the top of my phone. I also mark points 4 cm from the top edge. Now I finished the long edges of both pieces, preferably using a serger, but a zigzag stitch works as well. I placed the 2 pieces right sides together and stitched between the markings at the bottom and at the top. I then spread the bottom edges apart and matched the side seams and stitch these edges together. Since rib knit is a stretchy fabric, a single straight stitch could distort the bottom of the pocket. I start by sewing 2 parallel lines with a long stitch length, then pull the bobbin threads to gather the fabric. Then I stitch between the gathering lines using a normal stitch length and remove the visible gathering threads. I repeat the same steps for the top edges. I finish the edges, clip the corners at both ends, and turn the pocket right side out. I press the seams open, as well as the opening seam allowances, and top stitch on each side of the opening. And our phone pocket is ready. You can easily adjust the height, width or length to fit your phone, or play with different colors and rib knit textures. Thanks for following this Fabricville tutorial, and I'll see you very soon for another sewing project.